to my kitchen. Today, I will be trying out a delicious Chinese chicken salad. And I'm so excited because I love Chinese food. So stay tuned to see the end result and for the taste test. So let's have a look at the ingredients. For the salad, you will need 2 cups of Chinese cabbage, 1 cup of red cabbage, 1 large carrot shredded or cut very thinly, 1 cup of fried noodles, 1 cup of cooked chicken and cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 red pepper chopped, half a cup of spring onion, and half a cup of fresh coriander. So this Chinese chicken salad will go with a sesame dressing. For the dressing, you will need 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. So let's get started. This is an easy 3-step recipe. So first, let's make the sesame salad dressing. Step 1. In a glass jar, add all the salad dressing ingredients. Then shake well until everything is mixed together. Now let's make the salad. Step 2. In a bowl that's big enough to hold all the ingredients, add all of the salad ingredients and mix together. Have you ever tried Chinese chicken salad? Let me know in the comments section. Chinese chicken salad is an American dish believed to be invented by an Austrian chef named Wolfgang Puck, who is renowned for cooking Asian fusion cuisine in America. Step 3. Now pour over the delicious sesame salad dressing. It looks super delicious, right? All done. Now time for the taste test. So excited. Wow, the sesame dressing is super delicious. Now that's a good salad. Wow. Definitely a must try. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Next week, I will be trying out a delicious prawn curry. So don't miss out and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye!